Rising tension over the efforts to keep Americans safe from the coronavirus as the economy slowly reopens. In Texas, a SWAT team with an armored vehicle raided a bar where armed men were protesting shutdown orders. It was all part of a wave of protest against restrictions as unemployment skyrockets. But as businesses reopen, the polls actually show that most Americans support social distancing measures. Tony?
Former CDC Chief Dr. Tom Frieden is warning that the country could hit 100,000 deaths by the end of May. That is up from more than 73,000 now. We'll talk to Dr. Frieden in just a moment, but first let's get to Omar Villafranca. He's in Dallas, where some businesses are planning on opening tomorrow despite 2 straight days with more than 1,000 new cases in the state of Texas. Omar, things don't seem to be moving in the right direction there.
Good morning. Actually, this salon behind me is scheduled to open tomorrow, but the owner will not be here. She was sentenced to a week in jail on Tuesday for opening up too early. It's just another sign of the tension between people who just want to get back to work and government and health officials who are warning about the dangers of COVID-19. Hair salon owner Shelley Luther remains behind bars today. Her sentence becoming a flashpoint for those hoping to kickstart the economy. Former Alaska Governor Sarah Palin showed up at her salon yesterday in a show of support. Now, Governor Greg Abbott and the Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton are calling for her immediate release.
It was an abuse of discretion, and that the judge should not put people in jail like her who are just trying to make a living.
Even though many non-essential businesses in the state are set to open tomorrow,
You with the hat, green shirt, put your hands up, I can't see them.
tensions are running high. This was the scene outside a bar in Odessa, Texas earlier this week. A SWAT team confronted armed protesters supporting the bar owner. 7 people, including owner Gabrielle Ellison, were arrested.
I am aware of what's going on down the road. I'm shocked. And I had customers come through. You know, they've got SWAT built up. They got SWAT built up. Why would you bring in SWAT on a peaceful situation?
The landmines are planted. They're there. And as we begin to walk around, we're going to step on them.
Dr. Eric Bing is an epidemiologist at Southern Methodist University. His concern? At least 28 states are seeing a rise in new cases, including Texas. Yet, 43 states are at least partially reopened.
The virus is acting the exact same way it has been. Only thing that's really changed is our behavior. We are now beginning to move around, interact, have less social distancing, and we're going to begin seeing the virus spread.
Some of the newest hotspots are in rural areas, including Iowa. In Waterloo, this Tyson meat processing plant will reopen today. More than 400 people contracted the virus at this plant alone. Tyson says the plant will have an on-site clinic and that employees will be screened daily for signs of the virus. But some workers are frightened to return.
Everybody's scared. Everybody. But I don't know, because I need money. I want to be coming, but I don't know. Everybody's scared, but I need money.
Some major retailers are also planning to reopen. The Gap plans to open about 800 stores across the country. Several of them will be here in Texas this week. Nordstrom also plans to open up, but they will have some restrictions in place. Anthony?
Omar, thank you.